Hello guys, my name is Marika and in this video I will show you how to create thank you page for your contact form and then how to redirect to this page everyone that completes the form. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, now we'll have to create a new page. So we'll go back to the admin area. Let's close this and click on pages and create a new one. We'll name it thank you. We should add some text here. We'll get this sentence. Okay, and an image, it would be nice to have. To download some icons, we can use flaticon.com and then search for a keyword, thank you, in our case. So if I download this icon, should be okay. We'll download it as PNG and just upload it here. Okay, let's make it smaller and center it. Okay, the text too. Okay, now let's see how the page looks. It's kind of nice, but I think this title should be on the center too. So we can use some custom CSS. To do that, we need to get this class and the entry header, and we'll target the #1. So we'll go back to the admin area, appearance, and customize. Additional CSS, and here we'll add entry header #1 text align center. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I don't know, maybe we should hide the title for this page because we have this icon and text here. So we want to hide this entry header, but only for this page. So we will use a unique class for only for this page. So we'll copy this class page ID 34. We'll go back to the customize page and we'll add display none to this class. Publish, and let's see how it looks now. Good, looks better. I like it. Now when somebody completes the form, we will have to redirect him to this page. So we'll have to change this get parameter because it looks unprofessional. So we'll go back to the admin area, go to settings and permalinks, and we'll choose the post name and save the changes. Okay, this is good. Okay guys, in order to finish this functionality, we will have to write some JavaScript code, right? In order to do that, the easiest method we can do is to go back to the admin area, click on widgets under appearance, and let's create a new block. This one should be okay. And to run the JavaScript code, we'll have to add those tags. And just for testing, we will add an alert to see if the block will run when the page will load. So click update and refresh any page. Okay, as you can see, our script is working. Let's remove the alert and click update. Now we have to listen on some events because when somebody completes the form, an event will be triggered. So then we will know what to do from there. So if you want to find all the events contact form 7 has, you can go on Google and search for contact form 7 events and click on the first page. As you can see here, guys, these are all events the contact form 7 has. So we will use one of these, but until we get here, we will need the coding event handler. So just copy this bunch of code and paste inside the script tags. We don't need this. Okay, we can let it just for testing. Click update and let's complete the form. Okay, as you can see, the alert was triggered again with this one. So now we can remove it and add the code to redirect to this page. I'm sorry. So to do that, we'll go back to the widgets and we'll type here window location ref equal to this URL update. Okay, and we will want to change this event because this event is triggered when somebody click the submit button. So we want to redirect everyone that already sent the email. So we will use another event, and this one it's okay. Fires when an Ajax form submission has completed successfully and mail has been sent. Okay, we'll copy this and replace it here and click update. Okay guys, now we have everything in place. It should work. Let's see. Refresh the page. Okay, choose file, this one, green, and send. Done. It's working. As you can see, it's not so hard to do this functionality. You have to complete only 3 steps. You need to implement the contact form itself. Then you have to create a thank you page like this one. And then just add the redirect scripts in any place you have. I mean, you can create a new file main.js and add the code there. It will work. Or you can add the JavaScript code directly in your theme, in appearance, customize if you have a field for this. It doesn't matter. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe and see you in the next video.